G'day guys, this video is just going to be a sneak peek into one of my latest vibrations tutorials. So this particular tutorial is going to be on 1 degree of freedom damped motion, and like many of my tutorials, it begins with this simulation. So I can drag down this mass, and when I let go, then I notice a displacement versus time graph is generated for us in real time. And of course I can keep playing around with the simulation just to give me an intuitive feel of what's going on. When we're ready to begin the tutorial, we just click Begin. And then a displacement versus time graph is generated for us just here. And we're asked a few questions about it. Now, I'm just going to enter in something completely ridiculous to show you how it works. Say I enter in this number, click Next, then obviously I got it wrong, and then I'm given information on how I can improve. If I get it wrong again, say by entering this number, then I'm given a little bit more specific information on what I did wrong and how I can improve. And the tutorial goes on like this all the way through. Now I won't be showing you how to go through the entire tutorial, but in essence this should teach you the very basics on natural frequencies, damping ratios, logarithmic decrements, and also steady state amplitudes and phases. I hope this makes sense, guys. Just so you know, this tutorial is completely free and it's in the description below, along with many other vibrations tutorials. I hope you enjoy. Cheers guys, bye.